Hello! Today we are going to learn about Chopin Fantaisie Impromptu, which was highly requested, and how to play tempo up. I will explain in various methods. Chopin composed 4 impromptu. This song is known as the last of them, but it wasn't Chopin's last composition. This song was published after Chopin's death. He dedicated to his friend before he died. He gave it to his friend and asked him not to publish it. Why he does that? I don't know if it's because he cherished it so much, or if it's because he didn't want to publish it. Lots of theory there. But Chopin Fantaisie Impromptu, it's so beautiful though. So we are gonna start it. First, we need to check the tempo and the key signature, right? Key, this means tonality, means that there are many notes that are dependent on one central note. In other words, there is a protagonist. Let's think as the movie. The protagonist of Chopin Fantaisie Impromptu is C-sharp minor. This is called tonality. Okay, how do you know which tonality are you in? You can see it in the key signature. The key signature is located next to the treble clef. Usually when there are nothing, C will be the protagonist. But this one has 4 of them. There is sharp on F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. Right? Now, one step higher from the last sharp. So, from the D sharp, one step high note is E. But not a E major. The main character who was this key signature exists only 2. It's either major or minor. The relationship between major and minor is 4 half steps down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half steps from E, it's in C sharp minor. E, C sharp. C sharp minor is dark, right? Also, we started C sharp minor. So you start with C sharp minor. So you play this piece, but you don't know the key of this. How do you play C sharp minor? This is C sharp major. This is right? This is C sharp minor. It's down. I use the low 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know it's C sharp minor. And then I check the time signature. This time signature looks C-shaped with a cut. It's right. It's called cut time. There's a common time that's not cutting. It represents the 4/4 meter. Why is it 4/4 meter? The common time, the common means commonly used. This one is cut it out. If you cut out 4/4 meter, it's 2/2 meter. So it's 2/2 meter. It means there are 2 half notes in a measure. Now we are going to go in, but let's take a look at the tempo marking. Allegro agitato. Right, allegro means fast, agitato means in agitated. So here I need to play fast overally. Alright, so I'm gonna start in G sharp. C sharp minor is the main character. The 5th note is the next main character. There is G sharp chord. So it starts with the second most important note, G sharp. After that, you draw enough 2 measure and then you start. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then this is how we play C sharp minor. It consists of C sharp, E, G sharp. This is C sharp minor chord. Let's make it using this note. G sharp as the bass, and then there's C sharp. It's all in C sharp minor. Up to measure 6. C sharp minor came out in the form of arpeggio. C sharp, E, G sharp. Arpeggio means broken chord. Here is the bass. It's all just C sharp minor chord. The entire ingredients are here. And some people play the with left hand, right hand. You can do that right hand from here. One more thing, your right hand is hard, isn't it? A lot of people focus on right hand, but you can neglect your left hand. Right, your left hand needs to pretty much open. Up to 10th, my hand isn't that big enough, right? In this case, even if your hand is small, you use your wrist. Your wrist direction is supposed to be straight. If you move your wrist to each side, your wrist naturally will move. Yes, you will be playing like this. Let's play left hand first. You know that this is C sharp minor, right? Then this part changed here. And this is the D sharp half diminished chord. You've never seen this, right? It'd be great if you could watch 7 chord video. 7 chord is that this is the original D sharp minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is D sharp minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is carve chord. It sounds like this and made with 4, 4, 5 rows, half diminished 7th chord. You add 7 note and you move F sharp to here. Here. Then this one is played like this. Right here, I'm gonna put F sharp to here. And then I moved A is to here and then put my D sharp to here. And then I put the F sharp here and D sharp here. Then it's the 1. You have to know the chord even though it's hard. It's like actor knows their word, right? So you can play it like this. They are all D sharp, half diminished 7th chord, right? And a lot of people get this A wrong. People played A sharp, but you cannot do this. A is right. Why not? Because then the half diminished chord doesn't work. Not A sharp. So you play this here, okay? The last one is G sharp 7th chord. Let's calculate G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is G sharp chord and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is G sharp 7th chord. So here's a sharp on a B sharp because it's major chord. It's a 5-4 row and add 7th. It's major 7th chord. There's not any annotation beside it that is 7th chord. This is G sharp 7th chord. Is it too difficult? You will know if you watch it again and again. Watch this video twice and 3 times. You will get it. This is G sharp 7th chord. G sharp, B sharp, D sharp, F sharp. You can think this is G 7th chord, B sharp. G sharp, B sharp, D sharp, F sharp. They get half step higher from G7 chord. So this is G7 chord. I will move a bit to here. You can play it like this. You can write the chord on the sheet. So let's wrap up from beginning. C sharp chord, repeat. D sharp half diminished chord. G sharp 7th chord. So you run the chord. One thing I tell you is it's difficult to fit its hands together. 4 to 3, right? What is the mean? It's a 4 to 3. It's 2 meter, right? It's divided into the 2. If you do that, you can see it just like this. But if you divide it again, you can see this. So you have 4 notes on your right hand and 3 on your left. Why your right hand play 4 notes? Your left hand play 3 notes. That's why they will not meet each other's. But the first note will be meet. So when you play right hand separately, when you move your left hand, you want to know exactly what note you will play. How we practice here? That's why you should practice with accent. But if you practice too much hard, you will end up playing it like this. Just recognize what is note on a beat, so give it an accent. Right, let's try the right hand. You need to know exactly what note on your both hands are playing together. But here's the rest. That rest is really important. You will practice like this. 으따리라, da-di-da, like this, right? Da-di-da. If you look at the side note, they are all C sharp minor chord. C sharp, E, G sharp. You remember? So when you switch it, it's here, right? And then here, then there are other notes. If you look at the first right hand, it's like this, right? There one more thing I'd like to say. The fast music is the more important to finger number is. So if you don't keep your finger number, you will have to practice again. It's actually more minus because each finger has their number. So it's best to keep the finger number here. But if you find it uncomfortable, you can change it freely, but it's best to keep it. This should not the first beat. Your body should not feel as a first beat. It will push you away back. So you practice like this, right? Da-di-da-da, da-di-da-da. You need to practice a lot your right hand because you need to play fast later. Your hand have to be faster than your brain. So you have to practice a lot that you can play it even after sleeping with your eyes closed. Eyes closed. There's double sharp here. Double sharp. Double sharp is doubling over the sharp. F sharp, F double sharp. Right. So this is it. It's the same after that. Watch our word of lesson. And it's repeat same as before. I think this is the hardest part of this music because first you have to play F sharp together. Here F sharp should go by quickly along with the left hand. And you play this with your fourth finger, which is weaker. But you have to make sure that your F sharp has to match each other's. This is how it goes. And the right hand goes up. Go up, down, go up, down. Go up and down, that's difficult part.